Hello everyone. Today in this practical video I will show you a very good recipe, that is a snack recipe which can be taken for diabetes. Okay, so what is diabetes? Diabetes is the condition in which our insulin production is less, or insulin is produced in very low amounts, or either insulin is not produced at all. Okay, so in this type of in diabetes we cannot take any foods which contain sugar. So what I will show you in my practical video, that how we can take a healthy snack recipe for diabetes, which is made of rice and sesame seeds. So now to start with the making of this healthy snack for diabetes, first we will take rice and sesame seeds, which we have measured with the help of this measuring scale. So we have taken 100 grams of rice and 100 grams of sesame seeds in equal proportion, and now we will grind it with the help of this mixture grinder and make it into powder form. So now we will put this rice into this mixture grinder to grind it into fine powder. So now, as you can see, I have powdered the rice into flour and the sesame seeds also. And for making this healthy snack, I will mix this rice flour and sesame flour. And since I am making it for diabetic people, so I will prefer neither to add salt nor to add sugar, and make it into a bland paste. Okay, so if anyone wants to give little amount of salt for his or her own taste, he can put it. Now I will mix the rice powder and the sesame powder in this bowl, and I will add water to it to bind it into pellets. Here I have made it into small pellets. As you can see here, it's binded completely. So what we can do with this, either we can directly fry it and have it, either we can bake it and have it. And since I have prepared this specially for the diabetic people, I have not added any sugar or salt, but you can add salt according to your taste. And now I will bake it. So now, as you can see, this is ready to be baked in an oven. Now I will put these pellets in this oven. This should be baked for 15 minutes at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. So I have baked it for 15 minutes. The product is hot now. You can either have it hot, or you can just cool it and have it. You can even store it. Since it's baked in oven, it's dry, so you can store it for a longer period of time, and you can have it as well. So why this recipe is useful in diabetes? Because I have not added any salt or any sugar in it. It is completely bland taste, and also they can have it at any time for evening snacks. Since we know that in diabetes many foodstuffs are restricted and their choices are very less, so this special snack recipe prepared by using rice flour and sesame flour can be a change for them, and they will definitely relish the snack. Thanking you all.
The nutritive value calculator of the prepared baked rice sesame cracker is given as such.